Also got the black liner for the splitter here. I'm putting this on. I just went to one side and basically used a blade to help peel it open, and then there's a little adhesive glue that's on the inside of the liner here, and that helps it stick. But also I use some tape to help this stay put. And I'm gonna put some tape all around here, just in case the glue is not enough to hold, because we're trying to get this liner to wrap around the curves and the flat edges. This is what it looks like. So I just put a blade in there and basically just peeled it open like that, and then wrapped it around as I go. And it looks like there's a lot extra here, so we are going to need to cut. The extra piece here is more than enough to go around the edge of the splitter again, so this is extra in case that one gets damaged or ripped off. All right, coming along here. Got the bumper sitting upside down, drilling the holes into the bumper here. As you can see, the splitter already comes with the holes drilled in, so you just basically line up the you want to line up the bottom corners here with the bumper and the splitter, and then work your way around. And it comes with all the hardware as well. Here is the splitter. I already got the bumper off and the splitter attached. Some drilling, all that good stuff. Use some of the leftover tape to make sure it's lined up. And let's go see if I can put this bumper on straight all by myself. Alright, finally got it installed. The bumper I wasn't able to put back on myself, and it's not even on perfect. On this side, it's not, we couldn't get it to lined up. I found a mechanic who was willing to help me, and yeah, but so far so good. It doesn't look all that bad. Got the rods in here too, for some extra support, and also it looks sick. Next thing to do is to lower the car, but I think this is very, very aggressive. It really brings out the front end of the car. I'm not sure if there's a way to attach the splitter without taking off the bumper, but I think it's worth a try if you can jack the car up and have a look. But because trying to put the bumper back on, I had a hell of a time. But yeah, looks good. There's a little bit of gap right here. I don't think it was that big when it was new, but yeah, it is good enough for me. I got the spats right here from AeroFlow, then of course the splitter and the rods. I don't think that the car needs anything else. I think if it didn't have the spats on it, the splitter would kind of stand out a little bit more. But the side skirts from stock are already a bit out there, so. And in time, I'm sure this will bug me, but right now, it is good enough.